Guys, mamundok na naman ang mga Inday. Ayan. It's holiday. Big Buddha birthday. Ayan. Haba ng pila. Papuntang Shiko. Ayan. Ayan na naman. It's family bonding. Puntang Cape de Aguilar pala i-teach. Ayan. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay. Ay, ito sana, oh. Ito na tayo? But, mag-hi kami. Mag-hi kami. Sa sobrang init, pero mag-hi pa rin kami, guys. O, diba? Ah, yan na yung dragon's back, oh. O, see? Ayan guys, lubat. Ito yung kaibigan ko na walang utang, guys. Pero yung nauna may utang yun. Tapos yung nagbibidyo. Binuko. Yung may dalang KFC, walang utang yan. Hindi na kami makahakbang, guys, kasi sobrang gutom na, alas 12. Pupunta pala kami ng Dragon's Back. Wala yatang makainan dito, ah. Oh, mayroon pala eh. Siksik lang natin sarili natin. Sa mga ano. Ay, sarap ng hangin. Kaya pa? Masyadong revealing yan. Kunti pa. Gutom na itits eh. Ito ang typical na bundok talaga na hindi mo masiksik yung sarili mo.
Yeah. I went once on like to travel from Jakarta to some island nearby. And
Jakarta is
Indonesia.
that's why I can tell you terima kasih and like.
Oh, we don't understand Indonesian language. Yeah.
Yep. I've traveled there and it was kind of local.
Guys, may kasama kaming Russian national. Nag-join siya sa amin. No, may kasama kaming Russian national. Nag-join siya sa amin kasi alone siya, alone. Ano? We're here in the mountain. A Dragon's Back. Kaya mo yan, tirahin mo ng magandang-gandang Inglesan yan. Yan yung mga interpreter namin eh.
lalabas yung ano mo dyan.
Naubusan na ako ng English.
Lalabas yung English ni Kati na pinatago-tago eh.
Oo. Pati emotion niya lumabas. Oh, mga ano naman talaga yan. Lalo na wala siyang kabanding dito. Oh. Wow. Wow. So nice. Hindi na nakahawak ng sipi si ano Marites. Siya talaga nag-ano.
Ako pala yung kausap niya sa bus kanina, yung mga Indo.
Ah, mentor siya, mentor. So, maano yan sa mga emotions. Turuan mo pa yan. Maraming alam yan.
Dito, yung tourist na naging tourist guide.
Kaya nga, yung tinuturuan niya pa yung dami ng na-travel. Mahaba-habang lakaran pa ito. Hinahanap namin ang likod ng dragon. Buti na lang kami lumabas yung mga maliliit naming English sa pitaka. Nailabas namin ng konti. Init guys, init. Mainit. Kapagod yung pantalon namin kasi masikip. Yeah, it's ready because we are full already. It's hot. May nakabanding kang... Hello! Hello, hello! Mga ano tawag dyan. Hindi sila takot Dati yan, akin na cellphone mo. We can talk to anyone.
As long the people is good, why you don't talk to them? But sometimes I'm like, oh, I shall tell her. I used to think that it's kind of embarrassing. Like after speaking when I'm talking, I want to be kind of isolated because I want my thoughts to be clear to me without distractions. Yeah. But actually, now some of my work, like it's moved to like conversations and like mentoring and teaching. Used to.
You eat a lot of rice. Go, go, go. You eat a rice and macaroni. A lot of carbohydrates. Joking. Nauna na siya. Bulin mo tao.
Mabilis yan kasi mani finish na English.
Ay, Diyos ko. So tired. Hindi ako na-inform na ganito pala kataas tong dragon's back. Yung kinain mo yung KFC tapos yung basura dala-dala mo pa rin.
Hindi yan kasi yung hakbang niya.
Ang hakbang niya, dalawa, isa atin. 2:1 tayo Yung kasama naming Russian, ang laki kasi yung hakbang niya, isa, sa amin, dalawa. Alam mo, malayo na siya.
Ayayain natin siya mag-picture mamaya. Wala na siya. Ayayain natin siya mag-picture mamaya.
Ito, hindi kumain ng marami Puro kasi kwento ng kwento. She's tired now. Tired now. At the middle.
Copa Español.
Ah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5 sa S.
你叫黄毛哥吧？不要黄毛哥。他是那个头发是黄的，一个长得像外国人的男生。
The colonization of the Spaniard.
Some words sa Espanyol agad.
Kaya mo yan. We are colonized by the Spaniards before. Colonized. For how many years?
That's right.
We know some Spanish. In Palawan. They can speak Spanish.
Yung guro ko
Por favor, eh.
Por favor, amore.
¿Por qué dos?
of course, you travel a lot.
Yeah.
I've been eventually once,
In every country you need to.
but I love Spain. I just started to learn it when I was dancing salsa, Cuban salsa, and we dance to the Spanish music. So at some point I'm like, when to dance I started playing it and I love this language actually, but I don't have practice. For English I have it. So the funny thing about, for me, funny thing, like in French they have por favor, and they're like, yep, okay, that's very short phrase, but in Italian they have por favore, and you, how to say, I instinctively like make my hand like this, por favore, por favore, you don't feel like it, but
Ang Italy is mostly yung words nila is more on R. No?
How about the barak? How are you?
How are you?
Hong Kong Trail, Dragon's Back. So it's here.
Here.
the smiling sunny dragon, right?
Yeah, that's Dragon Back. Okay. This one is Anna. Oh, we're here now. Going up. They are taking rest. You can go later at the other side if you want.
Try some depth.
You go in Lion Shrine. Ah, that's the end. There, top, on top.